Many new lives arrive each day, and labor and delivery nurses are the ones who bring them into this world. A labor and delivery nurse is a special type of nurses who assist women throughout childbirth experience. It begins with labor, delivery, and then postpartum. The labor and delivery nurses are always there. They coach the mother throughout the contractions and encourage in giving pain medication. This is one of the many reasons why labor and delivery nurses are such important healthcare workers as they initiate one's life. Nurses help people of all types with different health conditions. As a nurse, your main goal is to see your patient happy and healthy. Throughout the days, nurses are always aware of the patient's well-being as they must care for more than one patient at a time. They must have very good time managing skills. Their true intentions are always to help the patients during their tough times and improve the overall quality of their stay. Nurses are the ones who gather the patient's information and get it to the doctor. They're the patient's voice, and they will always advocate healthcare policies. They have a great impact on everyone's life. A nurse has a very important job as they're the first person you get to see as soon as you get to a hospital and then gets the information passed down to the doctor. As mentioned by Advent Health, nurses come into work with a unique opportunity to make a difference in our lives. They support many families, including theirs. They make sure families are being heard, offering welcoming smiles and great support. Nurses are the backbone of healthcare. Their care for others goes beyond, and they carry out a lot of hospital procedures and protocols. At times, nurses face hardships throughout their own lives, but must overcome it and help their patients throughout their sicknesses. Even when nurses get attached to their patients and the patient has a devastating outcome, they pick themselves up and portray something else to the resting patients. They work with life and death every day, seeing people come and go, some with good outcomes and some with not so good. Nurses are such careless people where they have such a rewarding career. They have the knowledge of knowing they saved someone's life by the end of their day, or in the case of a labor and delivery nurse, knowing they brought someone new into this world and helped someone bring someone new into this world. It might be challenging at times, but nurses always find their inner strength and overcome their hardships. As Sarah Washington, a labor and delivery nurse from Denver, Colorado, said, "One of the most rewarding things about her job is being involved in her patients' lives and witnessing their special moment as they bring in their new child. Being a nurse is rewarding. You get to be part of a memorable thing, although it can sometimes face devastating outcomes, especially when in intensive care units and in labor and delivery, for example, the NICU unit, where you have to help small children overcome death. They undergo so much for a patient. They have to work long hours, weekends, and including holidays. Overall, the nurses have a really important role in the healthcare as they impact the world in a great way and get a good reward out of it by looking at the brand new lives they brought into this world and helping out the parent.